Hello students, welcome back to our channel Dear Students, a platform which guides you through counseling process and also helps in guiding strategies, tips, time management, perfect schedule, etc. for entrance exams like NEET, UG, JEE Mains and many more. So as you can see in our thumbnail, we are going to discuss about NEET UG exam which is in 4 months from now. So as all the students are confused at this stage regarding how can they plan their preparation, what will be their month to month plan to score such a good marks like 650 plus in the NEET exam, and also regarding the tips to increase the scores in their mock test exams, and they are confused regarding the sources where they can find the best test series and formula sheets and mind maps, and also the main chapters to score 120 plus in physics, and also confused regarding managing the time while attempting the mock test exams, and the last main thing, how to cover the last 15 years previous question papers in order to get an excellent experience. So based on all these confused questions, the question rises here is, can we really crack NEET UG exam if we start preparation from now? So the answer is yes, one can easily crack NEET UG exam if they start preparation from now with a perfect plan and schedule with the including test series, formula sheets, mind maps and everything. Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss about all these topics in detail. So watch the video till the end to get all the details, and without wasting any time we will start the video. So you all know only the 4 months are left for the final NEET UG exam. So don't freak out by seeing the number 4, cause it's a plenty of time to get much better score if we had a perfect plan and perfect execution. So don't be stressed out. So the first thing is the rules. What are the rules you have to keep in mind while you are doing this preparation of 4 months? First one, you have to master the NCERT completely, thoroughly, pin to pin and line by line, so that you can't miss any single line of NCERT for the subjects of biology and chemistry mainly, and conceptual sides of physics. So the second one is practice more questions as possible and include previous questions too. So by solving previous questions and practicing more questions, you can get a plenty of experience. So after completing the more question practice and including previous year's questions too. And the final one is attempting the mock test regularly to track your performance. So these are the three main rules you have to keep in your mind during your whole preparation of 4 months to master each and every line of your NCERT, practicing more and more questions to cover all the concepts from previous years too, and also attempting the regular mock test to track your performance. And the next thing is a perfect plan to score 650 plus marks in 4 months. So here I'm going to plan in the basis of months. So the first month you have to complete all your 11 syllabus, and in second month you have to complete all your 12 syllabus, and in third month you have to revise all those 11th and 12th syllabus and also practice more and more questions and everything. Parallelly give some chapter wise mock test, unit test, mock test, etc. So these are the three things you have to do in the month of third. So first one is revision, practice and giving the chapter wise or unit test, half of syllabus mock test. Once you have completed in these 3 months perfectly, then you are entering into the final month of fourth, where you can only do full length mock test including the grand test, so that you can track all your performance and notice your weakest concepts where you are falling behind and try to cover them. So the next one is tips to score better marks in mock test. So revise from all your formula sheets and mind maps before you are giving a mock test, so that you can recall your memory quickly and you can save some time during your revision, and give some time to analyze every mock test of yours and find out the concepts where you are weak and try to cover those concepts. Mainly focus on the important chapters whenever you give the mock test, and practice mock test regularly so that you can improve your scores one after one. Stay calm during the exam if you don't know the answer or else the question is hard or else something, and pass the question. So practice every test in OMR sheets so that you can master the circling of OMR when you are going to give your offline exam, and solve previous year questions as much as possible. So by focusing on all these points, you can increase your marks in mock test one after one. Where can we find sources for test series, chapter wise of formula sheets, mind maps? So choose the test series in which they are focusing more on NCERT lines. Okay, which are focusing on NCERT lines. So you can check our test series posters. We just started our online test series program, and we are also offering 2 demo tests. Please go and give those 2 demo tests, and if you are interested and you like the quality of questions and standards of paper, then you can go and purchase our test series, which is fully planned and scheduled till the final exam. And in this exam you will get included with 15 plus full mock test and 15 plus grand test, complete 11 plus 12 NCERT based quality with latest NT syllabus and pattern, questions directly from the NCERT line, so that you can not miss single line from NCERT. And we are providing these questions from our experienced faculty, and also we are giving an unlimited question practice in our test series platform. So if you are interested and you are willing to take our test series, the link will be provided in the description. Please have a visit to our online test series program, and there will be a 2 demo test. Try to give those 2 free demo tests. And so we are providing our online test series program with the student affordable with the lowest possible prices at a 1299 rupees, in which you can get a 15 plus mock test and 15 plus grand test with a perfect schedule as I mentioned above. And there will be a 24/7 team support for you. So the next one is chapter wise test series. We are also providing the chapter wise test series in our online test series program, in which we are mainly focused on NCERT lines. And if you are interested, then you can purchase from there. The link will be provided in the description. Have a visit. And next, the formula sheets and mind maps. So the best version of revision before exams. So we are also providing short notes PDFs and formula sheets PDFs and mind maps PDFs also at the very lowest prices of 99 rupees. Okay, only the prices of 99 rupees. So if you are interested, you can purchase it from our online store or else in our online test series store, just for 99 rupees only. These are totally worthful, and the links will be provided in the description. Just have a visit. So the next one is the main chapters you have to score better in physics. So by mastering these main chapters, okay, you can get up to 120 marks by mastering these main chapters of physics. So the first one is modern physics, and second is current electricity, and following semiconductors and logic gates, kinematics, moving charges and magnetism, electric charges and fields plus gravitation, potential and capacitance, laws of motion, electromagnetic waves and alternating current, units and dimensions. So by mastering all these 10 chapters, you can get a maximum of 120 marks in the main exam from the side of physics. And you can also check the note, in which you have to read all the chapters from biology and chemistry. And the next one is time management in mock test. So you just have to give 1 hour for the biology and 45 minutes for the chemistry and 1 hour for the physics, and the remaining 30 minutes will be gone for your checking, like crossover check of your questions you have answered, and also plus the OMR, in which you are giving it in offline to master the circling of bubbles, so that it can helps you in main exam. So practice in OMR sheets only. Don't just get a rough book and rough paper, just bubble it there. So you have to must and should practice on OMR sheets only. By that only you can master the bubbling with the fast and accuracy. And the next is the main things you have to take in your mind in the way of reading. Okay, so watch any lecturers before you read any chapter. So if it's a chapter, you have to watch the chapter lecturer. You can find a plenty of them on the YouTube, so have a look at them. And reading NCERT regarding that lecture or the chapter from NCERT. While you are reading your NCERT, make your own handwritten notes. Don't try to write all the lines, just you have to write the main and important lines. After that, you have to solve at least 200 plus questions per chapter. Okay, so that you can get a thorough inside view of that chapter. So make formula sheets and revision flowcharts of each and every chapter regarding the flowcharts of biology, or else from formula sheets for physics, and also both for the chemistry. Okay, revise regularly to keep and recall your memory, and attempt mock tests regularly. So keep in mind these 7 tips while you are reading. Okay, so this gonna help you to grow your marks day by day. So this is all about the tips, strategies and time management, and where can we find sources and everything. So to help you guys, we are also providing the NEET related PDFs and all those contents in our Telegram channel. So the Telegram channel link will be provided in the description. Go and have a visit. And all the very best for your preparation, and subscribe to our channel for more content. We are coming with a conceptual explanation and many more ideas. Stay tuned with us and follow us on our social media accounts, which is in Instagram. We just crossed 50k followers on Instagram, and join our Telegram channel where you can find all the PDFs and updates regarding NEET exam and mind maps, flowcharts, etc. and everything. So if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video and share to the needed students, and we will meet in the next video soon. Thank you.